Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cash app error. If you are facing this type of error, you want to send money to someone, it's showing there this payment was cancelled for your protection. So how can you fix it? Just simply close this page, and firstly let me tell you that when you try to send money to a person which is stranger for you, that's why it's showing this type of error. Okay guys, if you are sending money to a person first time, that's why it's showing there. So what you need to do is just simply save the number in your contacts, and then you have to send the money to person and then check whether it's fixed or not. If the problem is like this there, then you have to do something else. So you have to open settings, and then you have to scroll it down, and then you have to turn the aeroplane mode on at least for a 60 second, and then turn it off again. And after that, what you need to do is just simply check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is like this there, then what you need to do is just simply open channel, and then you have to scroll it down. From here you have to tap on date and time, and if this toggle is off, then you have to turn it on, and from here you have to select your time zone and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the one select this there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again. Then you have to scroll it down, tap on channel, and then you have to tap on iPhone storage. And let me tell you that you have to select your cash app from here. So you have to select your cash app, and then you have to offload the app, and then you have to reinstall it and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the one select this there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again. Then you have to tap on general, scroll it down, and then you have to tap on transfer, reset iPhone. Then you have to tap on reset, and from here you have to reset all settings. So from here you have to reset all setting, and after that you have to restart your phone. So when you try to log in your account, and then you have to send the money, so after doing all these things, I'll guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. That will hopefully like you, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.